Good evening, I'm Kundrapa Mary presenting you the evening news. Let's have a look at the headlines first. First Manipur Road Congress stresses the importance of Imphal-Jiribam Road and the need to develop it. And Imphal-bound tiger skull and pangolin scales worth over ₹2 crore seized from Lokapriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport in Guwahati. Now the news in detail. The First Manipur Road Congress seriously considered the impact of blockades and bunds along the national highways on the people of Manipur and suggested various ways and means to be taken to solve the problem. United Club National Highway 53 today organized the First Manipur Road Congress at Manipur Press Club to discuss the situation being faced by the state due to bunds and blockades on the highways and the urgent need to develop Imphal-Jiri Road. The club decided to organize the Road Congress in the wake of the indefinite economic blockade called by All Naga Students Association Manipur, ANSAM and United Naga Council. Speaking at the inaugural session, retired Judge C. Upendra said the people of the state had already realized the importance of Imphal-Jiribam Road after the economic blockade in 2005. The people would not have suffered if the road had been properly developed since then, he added. President and Working President of United Club National Highway 53, Shama Khaba and T.H. Mangi also stressed the need to develop the road at the earliest and drew the attention of the state government to its development to solve the sufferings of the people. Professor N. Mahindra chaired the afternoon session where Professor N. Joykumar, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Advocate Puyam Tomcha and Editor ISTV News Rinku Kumukcham spoke as resource persons. Professor Joykumar said that historically the road, which is also known as Tongjai Maril, has played an important part at the time of crisis. The road has both cultural and trade values, he further said. Dr. R.K. Ranjan said the construction of the road affects the environment of the state and it must be developed in view of the Trans-Asian Highway and development of Silchar as a commercial hub of Southeast Asia.
India के रेल रोड का मणिपुर से यावता हाना जिरी फाउंडर अदगी त्रिपुर फाउंडर सेंदरनि सेंबा होना सरोवरी की करगी जगह रेल ट्रैक सेंबा होना पुनः असी अतः टुमारो की विजन असी के गवा yesterday के लोग बनी के गवा उसी प्रेजेंसी के लगे most important and most vital road to be developed.
In a major seizure, tiger skull and pangolin scales worth over ₹2 crore have been seized recently from Lokapriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport in Guwahati. Forest Department sources say today that following a tip-off from the police, personnel of the Customs Department seized 2 bags containing 10 kg of tiger skull and huge quantity of pangolin scales. The luggage was to be sent to Imphal via Dimapur, not ruling out the possibility of the tiger skulls and the pangolin scales to be that of poached animals from the Kaziranga National Park and other wildlife sanctuaries in the state. The sources said these were in great demand in China as it had medicinal value. The Forest Department had recently taken a decision to destroy the remains of the horns of poached one-horn rhinos, another highly endangered species, as it was being smuggled. Some persons have been arrested in this connection, but the police and the Forest Department provide details. The sources suspect the involvement of an organized racket in the smuggling of these parts to China and other countries of Southeast Asia. Customs Department officials say the seized value of the animal parts will be over ₹2 crore in the international market as per the figures available with the Wildlife Crime Control Bureau of India. The value of pangolin scale per kg was estimated to be nearly ₹70,000, while 10 grams of tiger skull and bone are currently sold at $200 in the international market, the official said. Following the seizure, a special sale of the Customs Department has been temporarily set up in the airport and other vulnerable areas.